Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for all of you that have subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I recommend that you look back at all my videos that I have made. There are a lot of good recipes that I posted in my videos, so please make sure that you watch them. Today I will be making something really simple that anybody will enjoy this recipe. It just includes a couple of ingredients, and I will be making a banana shake. This is so simple to make, and I will be using the following ingredients. I will be using banana. I will be using 1 cup of milk, and I will be using ice cubes. And also I will be using a blender. So the first thing that I will do is I already went ahead and I peeled my bananas. And in this case, I will be showing you 1 banana just to give you an idea how to make this really simple shake. I already went ahead and I peeled my banana, and now I am slicing my banana. And like I said, this is really good. It's really tasty for something that you want, something really quick. You can have this as for breakfast, for lunch, or just for a simple snack. It only takes a couple of minutes to make, and it's all done. Kids would love this shake as well because it has a lot of potassium, a lot of vitamins, and the best thing, you can have this shake when it's really cold. Okay, so now I am going to put all my ingredients into my blender. And the first thing is I will put my sliced bananas into my blender. And if you are making it for 2 or 3 people, you can make 2 or 3 bananas. But in my case, I will be making a shake for myself. So now the next thing is I will be pouring 1 cup of milk into the blender. And then I will put ice cubes into the blender. And now I am ready to mix all my ingredients. Okay, now the banana shake is ready to be served, and I will pour the banana shake into my glass. Oh, it smells so good, and this is a really tasting drink, and I recommend this to everyone. It's very simple to make, and it's really good. Well guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like this shake that I made, I mean, it only takes a couple of minutes to make, so I recommend you to try it. It gets you full, fills you up with energy, and it's really great to drink. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me some ideas on what cooking things you like me to make, or any ideas that just come up. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and let me know how you like my drink. See you next time. Take care.